Coinbase has just spotted a strong signal. It has been over 3 years since we last witnessed anything like. Shiba Inu makes a major improvement to its ecosystem. This is already at its best. Can we officially say that the bull market has begun? I can't even begin to describe how thrilled I am. A great deal has transpired on this day. Can you tell me what's happening? We can find out what happened. Here is your daily dose of Shiba Wealthy Coin. If you are interested in Shiba and want to learn more, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Hit that like button if you want to see more SHIB news stories. Notable things happened last month. An upsurge occurred in the Bitcoin market. Even if it wasn't much, any gain felt substantial after suffering through multiple long days of losses. To a large extent, this was caused by the Federal Reserve's impending rate cut of 50 basis points in less than 4 days. It would appear that the Federal Reserve is once again putting us through a time of instability. This is sufficient fuel to boost bullish momentum, so if past events are any indication, things might become exciting soon. But what makes this so important? It has far-reaching consequences for the whole financial industry, especially a notable drop of 50 basis points. Borrowing money becomes more affordable as interest rates go down, which encourages spending and investment. When investors anticipate that more capital will flow into assets with a higher potential for loss, the buying pressure on cryptocurrencies tends to rise. Just like adding gasoline to a fire, it will only make things worse. Is the market expected to follow its usual pattern of behavior? Prices are anticipated to escalate as confidence grows, making this an ideal stimulus for a bullish surge. As a result, everyone is watching the Federal Reserve since their move could set the stage for the next big market shift. From what we can see, the Shiba Inu development team is waiting for the right time to issue an update. In a bullish market, providing updates can have a considerably greater impact than in a bearish one. When market sentiment is positive, investors are more likely to be enthusiastic and pay closer attention to updates, which in turn boosts their confidence. That is exactly what transpired. The testnet version of the Shibarium Layer 2 solution linked to Shiba Inu's Pupiknet is almost ready for major technical upgrades. A new version of the network component buyer is expected to be disclosed on Friday at the same time as the update the Cancun hard fork will run. The network's capabilities could be greatly enhanced by these upgrades. This might be a game changer for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, leading to faster transactions, a more efficient storage system, and an improved user experience. Nevertheless, let's reevaluate the matter. Right now, what does this even mean? Working in the same manner as the main network, but providing no real benefit. Developers may optimize the system by finding and fixing bugs without spending a ton of money thanks to testnets, while Ethereum uses its Sepolia testnet in a similar fashion. Other projects like the defunct Corleone Coven have their own versions. Before releasing these updates to the production network, the Shiba Inu crew can ensure that all parts are running smoothly. Getting Shiba Inu ready for success is a smart move, especially now that the market is looking good. These changes have the potential to elevate Shiba Inu from a meme currency to a project with a strong technological basis, which would be a huge step forward in terms of hope and reputation. The Shiba Inu ecosystem as a whole will benefit greatly from this upgrade, along with more explanation of its importance from the development team. Developers from Shiba Inu have executed 2 hard forks this year, with the Cancun upgrade being the second. Crucial community member Lucy tweeted that the upgrade's goal is to improve Shibarium and its testnet, Pupiknet, underscoring the significance of these technical upgrades. According to Lucy, developers really must install the Cancun update, meaning it will make the network faster, more secure, and more efficient with its substantial improvements. In Shibarium, what changes will the Cancun hard fork bring about? The user experience, storage system efficiency, and transaction speeds are all expected to be greatly improved. Improving Shibarium's stability and ability to handle the increasing demands of a growing user base is the goal of this update. In order to facilitate Shibarium's evolution, the Shiba Inu development team is developing Cancun and improving Pupiknet, creating a more streamlined and secure setting. This investment in Shiba Inu's infrastructure is a sign that the company isn't just riding fads, it's laying the groundwork for long-term success. Things start to become interesting now. Things are looking up for the future. Today is a pivotal moment since a major signal has surfaced over the whole cryptocurrency market. You might be wondering why it was done this way. Coinbase Premium has uncovered a highly unusual bullish indication for Bitcoin. The possible causes for the reduction of the Coinbase Premium were explained by an expert from the CryptoQuant site. The Bitcoin market is showing signs of long-term optimism. Traditionally, this indicator has been utilized to track how long it takes for Bitcoin to reach a new all-time high. The value of Bitcoin reached its all-time high in 2021 due to a comparable indication. Right now, what's happening? On the 1-hour chart of Coinbase Premium, analysts observe a triangular convergence with the top and bottom borders getting closer to zero. This formation is reminiscent of a positive flag, a reliable trading indication that frequently indicates a forthcoming breakthrough. According to Avocado On-Chain, a qualified Bitcoin quantitative analyst, who saw a comparable pattern before Bitcoin's meteoric rise to its all-time high in the previous bull market, the convergence was first noticed. I don't understand what this means. The premium feature of Coinbase keeps an eye on the spread between the price of Bitcoin on Coinbase and other exchanges. U.S. institutional investors' participation in an exchange, especially one trading on Coinbase, is typically indicated by a diminishing premium, a favorable sign. For Bitcoin's price movement, this action suggests increased demand from significant companies. In the past, this might have been an indication of a major increase. Bitcoin will be the center of attention as this triangle formation narrows. Many traders are anticipating a significant upward shift. It seems like Bitcoin is gearing up for another record-breaking surge, which means the cryptocurrency sector is in for an exciting time. Bitcoin does not rise alone, as is widely known. It will have an effect on the entire Bitcoin market. Therefore, it's safe to say that Shiba Inu could be in for some notable changes. A big development may be on the horizon, according to one analyst, and the new research has piqued the interest of many experts. Shiba Inu has been featured on CryptoCheck, suggesting that the token's value might be about to skyrocket. The analyst predicted a major breakout for Shiba Inu using the Bollinger Bands method, along with numerous other crucial signs. What is the driving force behind all this enthusiasm? A period of calm before major market activity is typically indicated by the contraction of Bollinger Bands on the one-day chart for Shiba Inu, which was the focus of CryptoCheck's investigation. This type of contraction usually happens before a big price change, either up or down, according to the study. But the most important thing is this. There are other signs that point to a rising pattern. This bullish viewpoint is supported by the Shiba Inu Relative Strength Index RSI. After a lengthy series of lows, the RSI has just hit its yearly low. This is a sign that Shiba Inu is currently priced too low, which can be a precursor to a price turnaround. People are usually quite interested in purchasing oversold items because of the steep discounts they offer. Prices can go up because to the increased demand, as CryptoCheck claims is happening with Shiba Inu. On top of that, it doesn't end there. A possible bullish breakout was suggested by the analyst's identification of a V-shaped recovery pattern. Shiba Inu saw a steep drop in July, but it quickly recovered, showing that buyers are willing to step in when prices drop. The strong comeback from lower levels is more evidence that Shiba Inu has a solid base of supporters, which in turn supports the idea that there will be an increase. Just a moment. This hopeful scenario can only come to fruition if Shiba Inu manages to break through a critical trend line, according to the analysis. Assuming that happens, holders of Shiba Inu may be in for an exciting time as the floodgates open and the breed soars to new heights. It appears that a major development is on the horizon given the accumulation of positive signs such as the Federal Reserve's imminent moves, Shibarium's improvements, and Bitcoin's unusual premium signal. The market is poised for a breakthrough, and the arrival of a bull season could be closer than expected. The important question is if you are ready for it. The market will turn around quickly. Intuitive. People may be able to make a killing off